Hello my dear students, welcome back. Today's session is also for class 10th students. In today's video, you will learn the remaining questions of exercise 4.3 and exercise 4.4, which is based on the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. The first question we are going to consider is question number 10 of exercise 4.3. The question is, an express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel a distance of 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speeds of the two trains. Here the question is about distance, time and speed. The distance to be covered by both express train and the passenger train is 132 km. And according to the question, the speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train. Hence, it takes 1 hour less for the same journey. So here we have to compare the time taken by the express train and the passenger train. The difference in time required is equal to 1 hour. So let us assume that the speed of the passenger train is equal to x. Let speed of passenger train is equal to x km per hour. Therefore, according to question, speed of express train will be equal to x plus 11 km per hour, because it is given that the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train. Now we are going to find out the time required for both the express train and the passenger train to travel a distance of 132 km. For express train, the distance is 132 km, speed is x plus 11 km per hour. Therefore, time required for the express train will be distance by speed, which is 132 by x plus 11 hour. Now for passenger train, it also covers the same distance. Distance is 132 km and its speed is x km per hour. Therefore, the time required for the passenger train will be 132 by x hour. That is distance by speed. Here, according to the question, the difference in the time is 1 hour. According to the question, difference in time is equal to 1 hour. Here, very clearly, the passenger train takes more time. So, the time required for the passenger train minus time required for the express train is equal to 1 hour. Therefore, 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 is equal to 1. Here I take 132 common, 132 taking common, then inside the bracket we will have 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 11 is equal to 1, which gives 132 into x plus 11 into 1, x plus 11 minus x into 1x whole divided by x into x plus 11 is equal to 1. This gives 132 into x and minus x will be cancelled into 11 divided by x into x square plus x into 11, 11x is equal to 1. Now we are cross multiplying, we get 132 into 11 is equal to 1 into x square plus 11x. Here on rearranging, we get the quadratic equation as x square plus 11x minus 132 into 11, 1452 is equal to 0. So the quadratic equation representing the given situation is x square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. We can solve it by one of the three methods we have learned. Here I am going to use the factorization method. So I can split the middle term as x square plus 44x minus 33x. 44 into 33 you will get 1452 and 44 minus 33 you will get 11 minus 1452 is equal to 0. From the first two I take x common, so x into x plus 44 minus 33 is taken common from the last two, so I will get a x plus 44 common in the last two also. Now we have a x plus 44 into x minus 33 is equal to 0. That gives x plus 44 is equal to 0 or x minus 33 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 44 or x is equal to 33. The speed of a train can never be negative, so we neglect the negative value of x. Taking the positive value of x, you will get the speed of the passenger train is 33 km per hour and the speed of the express train will be x plus 11, that is 44 km per hour. Therefore, speed of passenger train is equal to 33 km per hour, and similarly you can write the speed of the express train is equal to 33 plus 11, 44 km per hour. So I hope you understood this question well. The next question is question number 11. The sum of areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference between their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of two squares. So according to the question, you are given two squares. One is a smaller one and other is a larger one. So here, for the smaller square, let the side be x. For the smaller square, let side is equal to x. The relation between the two squares is given in two different ways. One is the sum of their areas is 468 meters square. Second, the difference between their perimeters is 24 meter. That means if the side of the smaller square is x, we can calculate its perimeter and area. Then accordingly, we will have to find the side of the other square, that is larger square, then its area, and finally we will use the relation, that is sum of the two areas is equal to 468 meters square to form the quadratic equation. Now if x is the side of the smaller square, then its perimeter will be 4x and area will be x square. Now we have a larger square. 4 according to question, perimeter of larger square is equal to perimeter of smaller square plus 24. That is perimeter is equal to 4x plus 24. For a square, if the perimeter is given, then the side is equal to perimeter by 4, that is equal to 4x plus 24 by 4, which is 4 into x plus 6 whole divided by 4. 4 and 4 will be cancelled, so we are getting x plus 6 as the side of the larger square. According to the question, the difference in the perimeters is equal to 24 meter. So if 4x is the perimeter of the smaller square, then the perimeter of larger square will be equal to perimeter of the smaller square plus 24, which is equal to 4x plus 24. If the perimeter of the square is given, then the side is given by perimeter by 4, that is equal to 4x plus 24 by 4. 4 is common in these two, so 4 into x plus 6 by 4, and 4 and 4 gets cancelled, and we are getting the side of the larger square is equal to x plus 6. Therefore, the area of the larger square will be x plus 6 the whole square, because area of a square is given by side square. So we have the area of the smaller square, x square, and area of the larger square, x plus 6 the whole square. Now according to the question, sum of the areas of the two squares is equal to 468 meter square. According to question, sum of areas is equal to 468 meter square. That gives x square plus x plus 6 the whole square is equal to 468. That is x square plus x plus 6 the whole square will be expanded by using the formula a plus b the whole square. That is x square plus 12x plus 36 minus 468 equal to 0. So we are getting the quadratic equation x square plus x square 2x square plus 12x minus 36 minus 468 is minus 432 is equal to 0. We can divide all the terms by 2, we get x square plus 6x minus 216 is equal to 0. So the quadratic equation representing the given situation is x square plus 6x minus 216 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize by splitting the middle term, that is x square plus 18x minus 12x. 18 minus 12 is plus 6. 18 into 12 is 216. Minus 216 is equal to 0. From the first two we can take x common, so x plus 18 will be inside the bracket. Minus 12 common, then x plus 18 will be inside the bracket. Here we are getting x plus 18 common, and x minus 12 is left inside the bracket. From this we can say that x is equal to minus 18 or x is equal to plus 12. The side of a square can never be negative, so we neglect the value x is equal to minus 18 and taking x is equal to 12. Taking positive value of x, x is equal to 12. Therefore, side of smaller square will be equal to 12 meter and side of larger square will be equal to 12 plus 6, that is 18 meter. So we got the sides of the two square in the question. The next exercise is Exercise 4.4. This is based on the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. We know that by using quadratic formula, the values of x are given by minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Here, b square minus 4ac is called a discriminant denoted by d. Depending on the value of d, we can predict the nature of the roots. If d is less than 0, then the roots are not existing or not real. If d is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. If d is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. Here I am going to consider the second question under question number 1, that is to find the nature of the roots. So here, comparing the given quadratic equation with the standard form, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. First we will calculate d. d is equal to b square minus 4ac, that is minus 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into a is 3 into c is 4. That is equal to square of a negative number is positive. 4 square 16 into root 3 square 3 minus 4 into 3 12 into 4 48. 16 into 3 48 minus 48. This is equal to 0. That is, we have d is equal to 0. Therefore, the roots are real and equal. In this case, we can find the value of x by simple formula minus b by 2a, that's equal to minus of the value of b is a minus 4 root 3 divided by 2 into 3. Minus of minus plus, that is 4 root 3 divided by 2 into 3, 6. 4 and 6 will be cancelled, 2 and 3. So the answer is 2 by 3 root 3. So the roots of this quadratic equation are equal and it is equal to 2 by 3 root 3. This is how we can find the nature of the roots and hence find the solution. Remember, if d is less than 0, then that quadratic equation will not have any real roots. In question number 2, find the value of k in each of the following quadratic equation if they have a real and equal roots. So you are given a quadratic equation. Here it is not in the standard form, but it is given that this is a quadratic equation and it has real and equal roots. So find the value of k. So first of all, we will make it into the standard form. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. That is kx into x, kx square minus kx into 2 minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0, which is the standard form. Comparing with the standard form, here a is equal to coefficient of x square, that is k, b is equal to coefficient of x, that is minus 2k, and c is equal to the constant term, that is 6. According to the question, the roots are real and equal. According to question, the roots are real and equal. Therefore, the condition is d is equal to 0. d is equal to 0 means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Substituting the values of a, b and c, b square means minus 2k the whole square minus 4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. Minus 2k the whole square is 4k square minus 4 into 6, 24k is equal to 0. From this, we can take 4k common, that is 4k into, then we have k minus 6 is equal to 0. Actually, this is a quadratic equation in variable k. but here we can solve it by factorization, and simply by common factor method we can factorize this, because this quadratic equation has no constant term. So the two factors are 4k and k minus 6. That gives 4k is equal to 0, or k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say that k is equal to 0 by 4, 0, or k is equal to minus 6 will go as plus 6. Therefore, the two possible values of k are 0 or 6. But here, if you take k is equal to 0, then this x square term will become 0. So here k cannot be equal to 0. So the possible value of k for this question is equal to 6. But here k cannot be 0. Therefore k is equal to 6. The next question is question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If possible, find its length and breadth. The question is to find out, is it possible to design a rectangular park with 80 meter as the perimeter and 400 meter square as the area? If possible, we have to find its length and breadth. The two measures of a rectangular park are length and breadth. So here I am going to assign length is equal to x. Let length is equal to x, given perimeter is equal to 80 meter. By using perimeter, we will express breadth also in terms of length. Perimeter means 2 into L plus B is equal to 80. The formula for calculating perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 will be divided there. So we will get L plus B is equal to 80 by 2. Length will be replaced with the x. So x plus b is equal to 40. Therefore, we get b is equal to 40 minus x. So if the length is assigned x, and the perimeter is 80 meter, then we can express breadth in terms of x, and it is equal to 40 minus x. So the length is x, breadth is 40 minus x. Here, area of the rectangular park is length into breadth, that is x into 40 minus x. That is equal to x into 40, 40x minus x into x square. This is the area in terms of x. But according to the question, area is 400 meter square. According to question, area is equal to 400 meter square. So we can write 40x minus x square is equal to 400. Taking all the terms to RHS, 0 is equal to minus x square will go as plus x square. Plus 40x will go as minus 40x, and here we have 400. That is, the quadratic equation representing the given situation is x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. Now we have to check whether it is possible or not. That is by calculating the value of discriminant. Comparing with the standard form, the values of A, B and C are 1, minus 40 and 400. Therefore, D is equal to B square minus 4AC. B is minus 40 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into 400. Minus 40 square is 1600. Minus 4 into 400 is also 1600. That is equal to 0. That is D is equal to 0. Therefore, the roots are real and equal. If the roots are real, then it means that this rectangular part is possible to design. Now we are going to find the length and breadth by solving the quadratic equation. Since the quadratic equation has real and equal roots, we can find the value of x is x by using minus b by 2a, that's equal to minus of minus 40. The value of b is minus 40 by 2 into 1, minus of minus plus 40 by 2, which is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 means length is equal to x, which is equal to 20 meter, breadth is equal to 40 minus x, that's equal to 40 minus 20, that is also equal to 20 meter. With this, I wind up today's class. With today's class, the chapter 4 is completed. We will meet in the next class with a new lesson, new exercise, new topics. Till then, take care. Goodbye.